Hey there, welcome to you in this lesson. And in the previous lesson we have added our courses, and now I wanted to add another section under the courses and before footer section. Okay, so I'm going to my reference website and I like to add this section that's called processing section, or how it works. Add a title, 3 integration box, so that a student can understand the process of join the course or take the classes. Okay, so to do this I'm going to my home page and click on the edit with Elementor. Scroll down, add a new section, select structure. So first I want to add a subtitle, add a title, just copy and paste it here, add this text, how it works, and add a padding top, bottom. Now going to add a 3 promo box or integration box, add a new section, select structure, then going to add text, select course. We can try another with icon box, try this one, delete. Okay, add text, select course, add a demo content, and now we are going to change the icon. We can add plug here, looks good. Then contact us, duplicate, add support icon, then take classes, duplicate, take classes, and here I'm going to search add laptop icon. Okay, it's super easy. We can add different color here to make it something different. So select this colors, and I'm going to add this colors as background. Try another color, and change the title color. Looks good. Add padding, looks good. And now change the icon color. change the font color, change also from here. Okay, looks good. Click on the update, and I think it's perfect for now. And now going to visit my website. Looks good, but I think I have to work on the footer, so I'm going to the footer section. Go to the dashboard, click on the element kit header and footer, edit with Elementor, click on the footer section. Okay, change text color or title color, change the font, change the social icon circle and size. Okay, move them in the right, move it in the left, and it's on center. So now it's look perfect, and click on the update. Now refresh. It looks good, and I think we have to remove the separator from here also. Okay, now refresh, and we can use different color for the copyright section. Okay, I'm going to use this color for copyright. Update. Now refresh. Wow, looks good. I think I need to remove the call section from copyright, and it looks ugly. So I'm going to the footer section again. Remove. Okay, and put it on the center, or we can draw another work. Now it's okay. Click on the update. I think it looks better than previous. Perfect. So we have done this section. Now I'm going to add contract as from. Go to the contract page, click on the edit with Elementor, click on the edit page, then click on the edit with Elementor, and change the settings from page layout default to fluid. Update, add a new section, select structure, add from here. So I'm going to search from. There is no from element here, so now I'm going to add from. So go to the admin panel again, click on the add new plugins, search from. We can use contract from 7 and contract from by WP from, drag drop from builder. We can select anyone from here as our need. So initially I'm going to install the contract from by WP from. Install now. Activate. And click on the create your first from button. From name, contact from, and from here I can select any free build template. From template, there are a lot of from template. I'm going to select simple contact from, click on the use template. It's super easy, you can draw without any coding skill. So just click on the save. We can add another field here, so just click on the add field, and for example I want to add phone number. Just drag and drop right here, add phone number, and click on the save. Now just click on the embed, use shortcode copy. We have copied the shortcode. Now refresh my contact page, add padding, add shortcode here. Okay, looks good, and add video here. Now it looks better. Just text center and add a padding, border box shadow, advanced padding, border radius 5 pixel, and perfect. Now in the next I will make it more professional using some CSS, a little bit advanced CSS. So click on the update. We have done our contact us page. Now visit my website. It looks more good than previous. Click on the about. In the about section I will add just simple text and some image, and in the courses you can see the courses here. Okay, and of course there are little bit CSS text we have to draw to change the color, change the button hover effect or other things, as we getting these courses from the plugins. I hope you understand. In the next lesson I will to show you to make it more professional. Now I think it looks good. I'm going to end this class here, and if you need any support to build any e-learning website, personal fruitful website, business website, then you can contact with me. I'm a full-time freelancer and I work as a web developer, Shopify developer, and e-commerce business developer. Thank you for your time. Have a nice day. Bye bye.